Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to resolve the DNS issue in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type CMD. The best result is command prompt app, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and type the next command, ip space config, ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. You received this message when Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolve cache, and type the next command, net sh space win sock reset, win sock space reset, and hit enter. You can receive this. You received this message. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Click on close, and to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Log in your desktop and type your password and login. And this is all. Your network connection works properly. For example, I opened it up Firefox and go to YouTube, for example. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.